Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the drawing field inside Docusign Esignature. Whether you're already familiar with Docusign or you're just getting started, this feature is a powerful tool that adds flexibility and a personal touch to your electronic documents. The drawing field lets signers add freehand markings, quick sketches, or handwritten signatures directly on the document, something especially helpful when text fields aren't enough. Let's walk through the full process step by step. Start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Docusign website. Docusign is well known for its clean interface and strong set of features, so everything should feel intuitive even if you're a new user. Once you reach the homepage, look for the login button in the upper right corner. Click it and sign in with your Docusign credentials. If you don't already have an account, you'll just need to create one. It works like setting up any standard online account. After logging in, you'll land on the Docusign homepage. This dashboard is your central place for creating, editing, and sending documents. Here, you'll see the option to use a template. Templates are incredibly helpful because they come with preset fields and layouts, saving you time and reducing repetitive setup. Choose a template that fits the type of document you're working with, or just choose any template if you're practicing. Next, add the basic details your document needs. Things like names, dates, and any other information that changes from one agreement to another. These details make sure the document is complete before you start customizing it. When you're ready to move on, click the next button. This takes you to the page where you can insert different fields into your document. Now look for the option labeled Drawing in the Fields menu. Click it and you'll be able to drag and drop the drawing field exactly where you want it on the page. This drawing field is extremely versatile. If a signer needs to add a quick sketch, mark up a specific spot on the document, or provide a freehand signature, this field allows them to do all of that smoothly. It's designed to support any input that requires more flexibility than a standard text box, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a drawing field to your Docusign document. As you can see, the process is simple, but it gives you a lot of freedom in how your agreements can be completed. Adding this field can make your documents more interactive, more personalized, and far easier for signers who prefer drawing over typing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you feel more confident customizing your Docusign forms. If you'd like to learn more features or explore advanced options, feel free to check out Docusign's help resources Happy Documenting.